Finance Act gets to be effected. We'll be getting the details of that in this particular program. I'll be speaking to Ressa J, who is CPA and a representative of the Vihiga branch. You'll be getting the insights on what's next and what you should be expecting as a Kenyan. My name is Brian Amwai. Engage us on our socials at Amwai Brown on Twitter, at LookUpTV. The hashtag is LookUpWeekend. Sign language interpreter is Angel Lois. Now, Transport CS Kipchumba Murkomen issued 9 directives after the Londiani accident along Nakuru Kericho Highway on Friday evening. Now, that accident claimed over 50 lives. Visiting the scene earlier today, the CS has directed National Police Service in conjunction with Ntsa to intensify anti-drunk driving operations across the country.
As families and friends are still trying to come to terms with the tragic loss of their loved ones who perished in the Friday evening accident at Londiani Junction, which claimed over 50 lives, Transport CS Kipchumba Murkomen visited the scene and has called for relevant agencies to revise speed limits in the area. In addition to providing bumps and signage, the CS also directing that markets within the road reserves be relocated immediately.
And we will have to sit down on a multi-agency approach to make sure that we get all the markets along our roads out of the immediate road reserve. And that can only be possible if we partner with the county governments and the national government to provide markets immediately or not very far from the road, so that people who are selling their produce to travelers can get the opportunity. We are ready.
With survivors recuperating in hospitals, eyewitnesses paint a grim picture of the accident that left the nation in mourning.
Nimeona mimi mwenyewe na macho yangu ni kama 20. Ni kama 20 nimeona macho yangu. Ile inaweza hesabu, lakini ile kuna mingine bado ilikuwa imelaliwa na hiyo gari yenye imeanguka. Hii gari ilikuwa inatoka pande hii ya Mausami tukiteremka kuja pande ya ikiendelea pande ya Kericho.
CS Murkomen has further directed the National Police Service in conjunction with Ntsa to intensify crackdown on drunk driving across the country. The Transport Authority Ntsa has been ordered to identify dangerous places as hotspots and install cameras.
As a ministry, recently I announced directives related to road safety, which included retesting of drivers. You know that when I announced these measures, there were a few people who wanted to resist. But we will stand firm as a ministry to make sure that all the drivers are tested, retested, and must be found competent. Our intention is to make sure that ultimately all drivers in the Republic of Kenya or driving in our roads have valid medical certification, so that we don't have situations in the future where I don't know what could have happened in this situation, but we want to make sure that everybody is tested whether they are medically sound to be able to operate in our roads.
With the retesting of PSV and commercial service vehicle drivers set to kick off, Transport CS Kipchumba Murkomen holds this will be a good initiative towards reducing accidents in the country.